Just comparing two hub assemblies, an old one and a new one. When it's on the vehicle, it's kind of hard to try it out to see which one is bad. Sometimes you have to take it off in order to hear it. Here's a new one, so if you listen to it, you don't hear anything, just when it's slid on the surface, but you don't hear it. Now here's the old one. You hear it? It's metal on metal. Again. It's smooth. Plus you see the seal over here, it's all broken up and all the grease is coming out, so you know this is bad. If you do it slowly, you don't hear it. When you go on high speeds, you hear it, and that's the noisy part. So sometimes you have to remove it in order to see which one is the bad one. Because I couldn't hear that noise with the tire spinning it, but when it's off, I can hear it. Alright, I hope that helps.